Hello, Tech Buzz new video, and this is the JOYROOM PODIX 140W 5-part desktop GaN Charger. 80cm retractable cables, 1.54 ultra large display, fast charging, and it can. Hello, Tech Buzz new product. It's the JOYROOM PODIX 140W 5-part desktop GaN Charger, and this looks pretty cool. So you've got 80cm retractable cables, 1.54 large display, supports tons of stuff. You have a single port, 2-part, 3-part, 4-part and 5-part outputs, powers, and goes up to 140 watts max, and this is it on the back here. 36-month warranty, versatile compatibility, multi-safety protection, charging protocol support, and advanced GaN support. So you can see there it does quite a lot, and it looks like it'll fit my desk nicely. So we'll get it out and have a look. Yeah, just pull off this here, and we have got this outer piece of plastic and some tabs here. Where is my knife? Seems like the only knife in this house is my unboxing knife, because every time I go to use it, it goes missing. So we'll be back in a second. So here we go. Nice and clean opening. That's your booklet, and in here we have got your base. So this will stick the base to whatever you're putting it onto. We've got a plug, and we get a proper plug. Lots of stuff I'm getting here lately is coming with the 2-pin. That's the refreshment. I think that's probably it. Just check. Yeah, nothing else inside. And here we go. So I'm going to be popping all that away because it's going to be used. So we'll just fire that over there for the tiny bit. And this is it here. We'll just slide it out this way. No. Looks like we're going to have to get angry. And that's it there. So you got a display up front, some parts here. It's a bit on the sleepy side. There's your power in the back. So that's going to sit in there, so it's not going to move anyway, so that's cool. And you can see here you've got a retractable cable, and it goes from there to there, so that'll just give you an idea. Although it does say what it is. Snaps back in nicely. USB-C, and you've got your USB-A's, and you've got your 140 watt one here. So you've got 5 in total, and that's it. So I'm going to need some power to get things moving, but not too heavy either. And you can see you've got a magnet symbol on that there. So yeah, it does stick to it. Yeah, there's a magnet here on the bottom. So you put it in this way, not going to stick. Put it in this way, it will. So just be careful what you're doing there. And these look like decent cables. They've got some protection on them, and nice retractable cables as well, which is cool. So you just put all the stuff away. If you need it, mostly have USB here, but you've got still USB-A floating around, and micro USB. No micro USB on this, but you can use it with a USB-A and micro USB, and you'll be fine. But you've got 2 at hand, which is great. So I have a cable, even though this desk is geared for that, I have a cable separate coming out the back for stuff I need. So what I'm going to do is pop it in the middle there and use it there, and I can just charge stuff from this with this plugged into the mains, which I've got mains plug kit there with USB-A and USB-C on it as well, everywhere. So I'm covered for everything. This brings things closer to me, which is what I need. You can charge our laptop with this as well, which is excellent. So I can have one less wire there, and two access immediately, which I kind of need all the time, which is kind of cool and suits me perfectly. So yeah, we'll get it set up and come back to you after the break, and we'll see you then. Okay, now we are back with our new friend here. So what I'm going to do is pull up this little pad and have it here in front so you can see it in here. So on front you've got this little face that'll come up, make smiley gestures and all that kind of stuff, which is cool. You've got your two USB-Cs in here, USB-As and USB-C here. So when he's doing nothing, he gives you a little face like that. So what we're going to do is first up pop in a new phone we're testing here as well. Watch out for the review soon. And you can hear that's charging, and you can just watch the dial like so. And next up what we'll do is we'll charge our camera. I'll let that go up for a second there so you can see what's going on. You can see there that's going up. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and pop in and start charging our camera here. And we'll leave that there. So that's charging now. And you can see now you've got two indicators here of what's charging and what the speed is. Next up, what we'll do is loads of little batteries on a USB-A. You can see here now that this is starting to charge, and a different face and the different percentages that the others are charging at. And what we'll do is we'll get another USB-C, charge our earbuds, and finally what we can do then is USB-C into the laptop here. So that's the laptop there. I'm going to pop that in there, and you can see all ports are charging away there, and one's at 15. They're going to change once it configures itself up. You can see here 34, 33, and it's pretty cool. So you got all ports going, and you can see the speeds that they're charging at there. Now obviously when you move these about it'll change, but this is just an idea to what's going on and what you can do. 5 devices charging from one little piece like this, which I think is pretty cool. And if you pick up the phone, right, oops, now I'm just going to pull that back out there, and we'll pull out the cable. I must have this on the wrong way again. It'll come up charging, but I've tested it with other devices there and it says fast charging, so it does fast charge even with your device on it. It's not a feature of that phone I'm just reviewing at the moment, but it comes up on the Pixel which I'm recording that it fast charges. But again, you can see no matter what I swap in or swap out, if I swap say the iPhone 17 Pro, we'll put that there, and then we'll put this guy back in here and leave that there, and just pull these out of the way. You can see here what they're doing, and we've got a face on the little guy there still, which is pretty nice. But that's basically it. From this little guy here, you can charge 5 devices and no problem at all, and they'll be charged quicker than usual. Now if I bring this up closer, you can see down on the bottom 3640 of the total, and you've got the different indicators here. C3, it'll tell you what it's doing. It's a tablet. C1 and C2, phone, and you've got the small ones on the bottom there with the batteries and the earbuds. So that'll just give you an idea of what's going on. So that's basically it there. I love this. This is going to be part of the desk. It's already being placed over here in the middle where you can leave it, where you can charge things handy and test things, which is excellent. And I've got 5 different cables I can use, so I can charge multiple items on the go, which is often the case I need being here. And this is going to do the job for me with simplicity. And again, with these here, is what I love about it as well, retractable, and they just go back in like so, like that. There's our little face back again, and it tells us then that those two are not charging at the moment. So that's about it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link below to where you can pick it up, and stay tuned for more on techdesign.com.